So today I'm going to be reviewing the wireless charger from Share, and this wireless charger, when you open it up, you have, of course, your charging box like this, and then you also have in here the wireless charger. Now the wireless charger is a fast wireless charger, and this wireless charger is foldable, unlike some other wireless chargers that you can get that are not foldable. And when you bring it out of the container, you do have the cable, so the charging cable, USB cable that connects to this, and you also have a manual that you can use to know how to use the charger. The charger is pretty straightforward in terms of use. As I mentioned, it's foldable. You can use it on Android, you can use it on iPhone, you can use a Samsung, all that stuff. So this is how it comes, just like this. So I'm charging the charger, the fast charger, with this, and once you have charged it, it can be wireless, so that you don't have to carry the cord everywhere. So the Airpod, I have it, and I can charge that on there, so that can be charging. And then I can also take my iPhone and I can also charge my iPhone, and you see, as soon as I put this on there, you see my iPhone starts charging. So this is a very good tool to have. I love it. If you do have an iWatch, you can also hang your iWatch over here, and this will charge your iWatch. So this is absolutely a good investment. I do like it. I love that it's lightweight, and I also love that once you're done charging all your gadgets, all you just have to do is just take it. Can unplug this, and you just take it and you just fold it, and you're good to go.